Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel guys. Today we are gonna cook some authentic curry mutton with jasmine rice and steamed veg. This is 2.5 pounds of nicely washed, freshly cut mutton. Let us season this bad boy now. We start off with some black pepper, some all-purpose seasoning. For your curry mutton to taste good guys, you have to properly season it. Now we're gonna also add our salt, now we will be adding 3.5 teaspoons of curry powder, now it's time to add our ground seasoning. This is onion, green thyme, Scotch bonnet pepper, ginger and garlic, crushed garlic. Now we'll be adding all these seasons to the mutton with the rest of powder season. Now guys, this is the time to combine all the season into the mutton by rubbing it in. Massage it right into the mutton guys. And you smell all these spices coming together, give you a nice aroma. The time is about 5:30 p.m. Saturday, and this mutton is for Sunday dinner guys. So we're gonna set it aside, put it in a container, set it aside in the fridge for the next 20 hours. It's time to cook the mutton now guys. Now we're gonna place the Dutch pot on the fire, add some coconut oil to it and burn some curry. By burning the curry guys, you bring out all those spices that make up the curry and it more absorb easily in the meat. Now in with the mutton. Now we're gonna mix everything together. That's the mutton can soak up all that flavor from the burnt curry. This mutton hasn't even started cooking as yet, and guys, you can't believe the flavor and the smell inside this kitchen. Now we're gonna cover this and let it simmer on the medium to low heat for about 5 minutes, as it can spring its own water. Look at that guys, that's what I'm talking about. After 5 minutes guys, this is what it looked like. It make its own sauce. Now we're gonna stir this thing and then add some water to it, maybe about 1.5 cups of water, and let it cook on medium heat. Slow cook for about another 45 minutes to about an hour. Guys, remember the water must be hot. You don't want to slow down the cooking process, so add hot water to the meat and to continue the cooking. Guys, at this point I'm giving it a quick stir. It still have another about 25 to 30 minutes of cooking left before I put the final set of seasoning on it guys. In the meantime, guys, I'm gonna prepare my steamed veg. Today's steamed veg gonna be bok choy with carrots. Okay guys, this carrot and potato I'm preparing is to be added to the mutton for the final phase of the cooking. Guys, 50 minutes later, my mutton is cooked, nice and soft. Now we're gonna add the final set of seasoning to the mutton. First, I'm gonna add my carrot and my potato. Then I will be also adding my onion, some more garlic, and a whole Scotch bonnet pepper. And let it cook for another 10-15 minutes. This is it, guys. This is our way of cooking our authentic curry mutton. Guys, see you next time. Remember to like, share, subscribe to the channel.